Hey, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chevy Tahoe. Customer called and said their check engine light was on and they wanted to have it looked at to see what was causing the issue. When we got the vehicle in, we hooked our scan tool up to it and it showed a misfire on cylinder 2. We started the car up, looked at the misfire counter to verify that it was actually misfiring on cylinder 2, and there were no misfires on cylinder 2. The fact that there were no active misfires while the vehicle running was kind of confusing to us. After doing a little more research and checking a few more of the parameters on the vehicle, we found that the high pressure fuel pump was actually failing, and that's what was causing it to have that misfire on cylinder 2, because the number 2 injector was not getting enough rail pressure to satisfy the computer's demands. After putting a new high-pressure fuel pump in, we started the vehicle up, cleared the codes, took it for a drive. The misfiring code was gone. The vehicle seemed to run perfectly fine. So if you have a vehicle with a check engine light on and you're not quite sure what's causing it, we do a free inspection and estimate for check engine lights. So if that's an issue that you're having with your vehicle and you'd like to have it checked out, please feel free to give us a call. My name's Dan. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.